Okay, so we're back here. Let's erase the work that we did before from solving this first equation. Let's look at the 3x. X plus 4 equals 18. You can see that this equation before was a linear equation, but this one now, the 3x, x plus 4 in brackets equal 18 is quadratic, alright? Let us draw a line and solve it over here. So we have 3x times x plus 4 equals 18. Now, multiply out what we have in the bracket by what is outside. 3x times x will give you what? It's going to be 3x squared plus 3x times 4. 3 by 4 is 12, so it's 12x equals 18. So now what we have is 3x squared plus 12x. Subtract 18 from both sides, we'll minus 18 on the left. What happens over the right hand side? We'll have 18 minus itself, 18, so it's going to be 0. So might as well put 0 there. Now here, you can see something here. We can divide out everything by 3. If you divide this by 3, divide this by 3, divide this by 3, 3 will cancel 3 to give the x squared plus 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 12, 4. So up here is going to be 4x minus 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 18, 6. So it's minus 6 equals 0. Alright, nice. Can it be factorized? 3, 2, it doesn't seem like it can be factorized. Let's just work it straightforward using the formula. Let's use a formula to work it out. First of all, let's get this out of the way. And just continue down the line. Use a formula to work this out. The formula says, and you have the formula in your thing there, your formula sheet. Here, it says if a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then what you have is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, here, you need to identify a, b, and c. Then you can substitute them in the formula. Now, what the equation here says, the one that we're solving, is x squared for x part. What x squared means 1x squared. So it's x squared plus 4x plus, well, 4x minus 6 is the same as 4x plus negative 6. Alright? So, there you have that. It's minus 6. So in this case now, you can see that a is 1. A is whatever multiplies x squared. So you have the x squared here, you have the x, and you have the number here. You can see that b is 4. B multiplies x. And here you can see that c is negative 6. Said plus c plus negative 6. So a is 1, b is 4, c is negative 6. You see that? Alright. So, let's look at that now. You have b, but b is 4. So minus b becomes minus 4. Have b squared. So minus b squared is b squared becomes 4 squared. Minus 4 times a times c. A is 1, so it's 4 times 1 times c, but c is negative 6. Before times 1, you don't have to write it there. You know it's going to be 4 times negative 6 divided by 2 times a. But a is 1. So it's 2 times 1. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 6. So minus 4 times 6 is going to be 4 times negative 6 is going to be negative 24 divided by 2, which is negative 4 plus or minus the square root of what? This is 16, you know, minus negative 24. So it's same as 16 plus 24, or the 16 plus 24. If you have 16 plus 24, 6 and 4, 10, bring down the 0, carry 1 to 1, 1, 3 and 1, 4. It's 40 divided by 2. So what's the square root of 40 now? The square root of 40 is 6.32, call it 6.325, no? 6.325. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus 6.325 divided by 2, all over 2. So in one case, x is going to be negative 4, left off the negative. It's negative 4 plus 6.325 divided by 2. In the other case, x is going to be negative 4 minus 6.325 divided by 2. So x is, so what you have here is negative 4 plus that. Alright, you can put it all in brackets, divided by 2 equals 1.162. So it's 1.162. And in the other case, x equals, let's put the what's on the calculator here, in bracket again, but this time the only difference is a minus is there. Equals, you have negative 5.162. So it's negative, oh my. So you have negative 5.162. So x is 1.162 or negative 5.162. So that is the solution to this equation. Alright? We look at this one in a different video.